Yo, hi guys, it's me, Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the email integration from Vidello together with Mailingboss from Buildroll. So, whoop, there's an alert. So, I'm going to show you how to do that with the help of the custom HTML feature inside Vidello. So to be able to connect Mailingboss together with Vidello, you need to go inside the Vidello video creator to apps, then choose email. Okay, and there you have an option to, let the user enter their email to be able to watch the rest of the video, for example. Okay, or redirect them to another page. So it's completely up to you. You also have a few features. For example, if the user is able to skip that alert, or if they need, if you want to force them to give their email to you. So in my example, I'm going to not allow to skip, and I show you how to do that. So we have two options, two presets. That's the first one, and that's the other one. That is just, the people are going to give you the email, but they will still be able to see the video. In my case, I don't want to have them. They need to give me the email. Okay. So then I'm going to the settings. There you can have different features like the color of the button and all that stuff. You can ask them also for their name, and this is what I prefer. So you can have first, last name, and email. Last name I don't want to have, so it's just first name and email. And I'm going to turn off show skip. So as you see, here they can skip, and here they can't. Okay. And the autoresponder, for example, regularly is Vidello. So they have different integrations like MailChimp and Aweber and all that stuff. But you also can choose custom HTML. And there you have a field for adding your autoresponders code. In our case, it's Mailingboss. So we're going to our Mailingboss account. We're going to lists. I'm sorry, because I'm as German, I do have a German interface, but I'm telling you what you need to do. So first go to lists and click on all, and then choose your list. So for me, it's test list, and click the settings icon. And from there, go to forms. And here you have two different forms. So you have the option to have a opt-in form, and here if you change, you have the option to unsubscribe. Okay, we are going to use the opt-in form, and I'm going to mark everything what I need. So from here to there, and then I'm going back to Vidello. I insert the code, and then I click on parse code, and the system is fetching the fields that are inside my Mailingboss list. So as you can see right now, if you have more fields, you would be able to choose. But in my case, now I have please select the email input. Okay, so for that, I'm going to choose email. Please select the name input. For that, I'm going to choose fname, which is the first name. And when I'm done, you can click here and change all the text. So that's very cool. Also here, if you're German, for example, okay, or France, you can write in your language. Okay, in my case, it would be German. I would write your first name, your best email, and send. Okay, you can write whatever you want, whatever. If you're done, you just click on done editing and then you click on save. Okay, and you then are able to grab the code, the embed code, okay, to put inside an iframe on your website. For that, I'm going to choose my playground. Okay, I'm going to, my case, it's I have a playground for my Vidello videos for testing stuff and all that thing. So I'm deleting what's inside there and inserting what I have now. And then I hit on save. Okay. So all fine. So as you can see in my test list, okay, I only have 2 people, okay, twice 2 tests. So remember that amount. So then I'm going to my page, opening the page I just created. And as you can see, I'm not able to click anywhere to close, which is important. Now I give my name, Marco Vidello test, and then I give my email, which is like, don't know. And I hit on send, okay? And you also can choose the redirection page, okay, which is possible. Let's go back, which is possible in the settings. Let's go back. So here you can choose the open URL on submit. Okay, so there you can go and put the thank you page or whatever, or redirect the users to the second part of the video or whatever. Okay, you can choose if it's opening in a new window, in the old window, whatever. Okay, so what happened right now is a small problem because I have 3 fields which are, you know, no, I'm already in that list. Okay, as you can see, v.antroba.marco@gmail. So I'm already in that list. So I'm going back, okay, to the Vidello, refresh. That was my mistake. And then I'm going to Marco Vidello test. I use my real email, Marco. And I hit send. Okay, so I hadn't specified a real thank you page. Okay, it's a different one. So as you see, I can now watch the video again. So I can watch the whole video. And that's more important, if I go to subscribers, you can see there's the 3rd subscriber right now. It's my real email address. You can see on the time, it's the same. So 1 minute before. And yeah, that's how you can enable Mailingboss integration and functionality inside Vidello. So you can connect both together. You can embed the videos on your Buildroll website and get the emails from the people, and it's working fine. And that's one of the reasons I love Buildroll, but also I love Vidello. So I hope that video helps to get this done. As I said before, you also are able to just get the email address, for example. So it's working. Enjoy, happy building with Buildroll, and yeah, take care. Bye.